Hello everyone, welcome to my midnight makeup madness. It's 12 am, prime time for all our creative juices to flow and for our neighbors to wonder why the lights are still on. Tonight, we are doing a South Indian glam look because nothing says I'm thriving like looking wedding ready when the rest of world is asleep. Starting off with moisturizer and primer. Moisturizer for hydration. I'm using here my favorite moisturizer that has been given from my dermat, and after that I'm gonna layer it with primer because even in the middle of the night we need a solid base. Think of it like a dosa tawa. You need that perfect layer before anything else can happen. Apply it gently. Remember, we are not buffering a parotha here. Now foundation. Pick a shade that matches your skin tone and blend it well because patchy foundation under tube light is disaster waiting to happen. Hold on. Don't have beauty blender? Use your fingers, but only if you wash them after eating biryani, okay? Now it's time for chotu brother of foundation, that is concealer. So here I'm concealing my under eyes cause these days my eyes are like living a hell life because of me only. So blending it well softly like putting a parotha on tawa. So here we are done blending everything properly, and now next up. Here happy me because I'm using my favorite palette. So coming into the contouring thing, I don't think I need that much contouring because South Indian people have very cute round face just like idli. Let's add hint of blush. Smile like you have just got extra sambar with your dosa and tap it on your cheeks. Just don't blush so much that people think you are shy of midnight ghost, okay? Adding highlighter to high points of my face. ఎలాగైతే కోకోనట్ చట్నీలో తడకా వేస్తాం కదా. నోస్ కాంటూరింగ్లో ఒక ట్రిక్ చూపిస్తా. ఓహో, లెట్ మీ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అగైన్. సో హియర్ ఐ యామ్ కంప్లీటింగ్ మై హోల్ base makeup. So guys, our batter is whole ready, and now turning to eyeshadow part. For eyeshadow, let's keep it traditional yet glam. So gold is always a winner. It's like a mini homage to our favorite temple jewelry. Blend it with a bit of pinkish tone to match your sari. Remember, this is a midnight tutorial, not holy, so don't go overboard. Don't forget to add that thick line of eyeliner cause this is the thing that is gonna change whole look. And now I'm adding a pinch of mascara, and mascara is the thing that is gonna change whole look, guys. So if you would choose one thing in makeup, I know that is gonna be mascara. As we have arrived here to lipstick part, keeping it casual like very nudie kind of lips just to go with trend cause maroon and red are something like oldies. So here I'm lining my lips with lip liner and add a pair of traditional jhumkas. They will make you feel like a midnight goddess even if you are just going to sleep after this. Now if you'll excuse me, I'm off to raid the kitchen for some leftover payasam. Good night, or I should say good glam.